Student, now look, we are going to solve that theorem 6.5 class 9 general maths. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Students, what we have proved here in 6.4, this is just the opposite of this one. I repeat again, what we have proved in 6.4 theorem, 6.5 is just the opposite of this one. Here we have to prove that same side of the transversal two interior angles equal to their sum is supplementary, means 180 degree. We have proved this one. Here mentioned that two lines are parallel, but here the opposite of 6.4 theorem, if a transversal intersect two lines such that pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, which means here it is mentioned that the same side interior angle sum equal to 180 degree, then we have to prove that these two lines are parallel. So let's have a look, student, how to solve theorem 6.5. Look, student, this is the diagram of theorem 6.5. As you can see in the video, here these two interior angles of the same side of a transversal, and these two sums equal to 180 degree. It is given part. We have to prove that AB parallel to CD. So now, student, write down here that the given portion will be like this. Given here, we'll write that AB and CD. AB and CD are the two lines, and PS intersect AB at Q and CD at R. Now look, after that, student, we'll write that in such that angle BQR plus angle DRQ equal to 180 degree. Now this line PS intersect AB and CD in such a way so that these two sum equal to 180 degree. It is a given part. To prove AB parallel CD, we have to prove that one, AB parallel CD. Now look how to prove this. Student, look here now. In this diagram, angle DRQ, angle DRQ means this portion, and DRS means this portion. So sum of this portion, angle DRQ and DRS, sum of this portion equal to 180 degree linear pair. So we'll write down here proof. Look here now. Proof angle DRQ plus angle DRS equal to 180 degree. We'll write here now linear pair. This is our equation number 1. Now what is given in the given portion such that BQ are equal to DRQ? So we'll put this one here again. BQR plus DRQ equal to 180 degree, and we'll write the reason here from given. We'll write here now given. This is our equation number 2. Now look, student, from 1 and 2, these two portions are equal, so we'll write down here from 1 and 2, these two portions are equal. DRQ plus DRS equal to BQR plus DRQ. Now look, student, from the both side DRQ cancel, so remaining part would be here that DRS equal to BQR. Now look, student, once DRS and BQR. DRS means this angle and BQR means this angle. So these two are corresponding angles. So since it is a corresponding angle, so we can say that these two lines are transversal. So we'll write down here angle DRS equal to angle BQR, corresponding angles. Now look, after that the last line will be like this. Thus for lines AB and CD with the line PS corresponding corresponding angles are equal. Since the corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that AB parallel to CD. So AB is parallel to CD, hence proved. This is the proof of theorem 6.5.